Okay, to find the slope, you need your slope formula. Remember, your slope formula is the change in your y's over the change of your x's. Doesn't matter what order, as long as corresponding x and y values are on top of each other. So let's look at this point. Our first point is -1, -1. Our next point is +2, -2. We're just going to put it into the formula and find our slope. So we got -1 minus -2 over -1 minus 2. So -1 minus 2 is 1. -1 minus -2 is 1. -1 minus 2 is -3. So our slope is -1 over 3. You do the same thing here. Use the same formula, except they give you your points. Here you need to make sure it's solved for y. And your slope is m. So make sure you solve for y. Let's get y by itself. So like this one, we can just look at it. It's already solved for y, so our slope is -5.
Tyler Lockhart, come to the office to check out.
Number 25, if we need to solve for y, we're going to subtract 2x. So we're going to have 3y equals -2x plus 9. Then we're going to divide every term by 3. So now we have y equals -2/3 x plus 3. So our slope is -2/3. Okay, so this is your point slope form. Your point slope form is y minus y1 equals your slope times x minus x1. These are the points that you change. Okay, so if I've got point slope form, I'm going to write y minus y1 is -3 equals my slope is -1 times x minus my x1, which is 4. These two negatives are going to change to a positive, so I have y plus 3 equals my slope times x minus 4. Okay, so that's how you do this first page. This, you have to find your slope, and then you can use either point that you want. Okay, so my slope, I've got 8 minus 10 over 0 minus -1. So I've got -2 over 1, so my slope is -2. And I can use either point that I want, so I can say y minus 8 equals -2 times x minus 0. And there are your answers.